Dehumidifiers are great at drying out basements and other humid parts of the home. I'm here with product tester John Galtafiore, who's going to explain what you need to look for when you're shopping for one. So John, tell us, does size matter?
Size does matter, and bigger is better. But it's not the physical size of the unit, it's the capacity. And these dehumidifiers claim capacities in pints of water removed per day. And the reason you want a bigger capacity unit is that they're more efficient at removing water out of the air. The other benefit is that you can run them on a lower fan speed, so if you're going to be in the same room where they're running, it's going to be a lot quieter.
Okay, so what other features should a consumer think about when they're shopping around?
Frost control is important if you're going to put the unit in a place where it gets cool, because what will happen is the coils can freeze and it'll stop the unit from working. Another feature is auto restart. If the power goes out for any reason, some units will not come back on, where others will come back on, and they'll be at the setting that you left them at.
Okay. Now, Energy Star. Should shoppers really rely on that little blue label?
For dehumidifiers, not really. And the reason is that the qualifications for dehumidifiers is Energy Star looks at each individual capacity. So they're comparing only small units to small units and large units to large units. What we did is we looked at the energy efficiency among all capacities, and we found that the larger units are much more efficient than the smaller units. And these units use a lot of electricity, so that can mean a big difference in the amount of money you pay each month.
Okay. Now, we recommend homeowners maintain relative humidity somewhere between 30 and 60%. Can all dehumidifiers maintain accurate relative humidity?
No. And the way we tested for that is we put each unit in an environmental chamber, and we were able to ramp up the humidity and ramp it back down and had the units set at particular points. And we were able to see when they turned on and when they turned off. Some were much better than others, and you'll need to go to our ratings to see which ones those were.
Okay, will do, John. Thanks. I'm Dan DeClerico, Senior Editor for Home & Garden, and be sure to check those ratings.